Welcome to Narrowboat that James built. Hope you're well. Thanks for joining me. I've got to move the boats not very far because I need to get some more full-size boards. So I need 2 for that bulkhead there. I need another one for the back of that bulkhead. I need 2 for the bathroom bulkhead. So that is 5. And I might need some more. Well, definitely need some more for the cabinet making and wardrobes and everything in the bedroom. So if I can, I need to get another 6 boards of ply. I don't know if you can make this out, but there's Sweary Dan's boat, then Marlin, then a gap, then Rob. And I'm hoping that gap will fit me in it. So I don't have very far to go. Just got to do this lock, which is nearly set. I don't know if you can really see from this angle, but the boat is really listing to starboard side, so I'm going to have to shimmy some weight around, but it's quite a bit of weight in the boat I need to get rid of. So all those old kitchen units, which are currently sitting on starboard side with all the tools in it and stuff, that's all got to go and make room for the dinette now, so that might help alleviate this problem. Right, it's a beautiful early morning to move the boats, and now I've got a bit of a tricky manoeuvre to tuck the boat in behind Marlin's boat, which is kind of sticking out a bit. Right, there's the gap I'm aiming for. It's quite hard to judge this. I've basically got to pretend I'm on slow. And try not to crash into Rob. Yeah, I reckon I could jump that with the centre line, pull it in. A little bit of a bounce off the arm, okay? Oh. Yes. Okay, the eagle-eyed amongst you may have spotted a slight problem I'm going to experience today. When I got the full-size boards in before, I had to take that step out and it just slid over the frame of the steps. Now I've put this piece in, I'm not going to get the boards in. So I'm either going to have to profile them and trim them on the towpath, which is doable, or I'm going to have to try the front doors, which with those steps in place is not doable. So I have to get rid of them, which I've got to do anyway. But this boat's on the outside, so actually getting the boards to the deck is not exactly going to be straightforward. Yeah, you got 5 in left, mate. Is that all you got?
Not sure. Do you need any more?
I need 6 ideally. So, right, we're loaded up. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to opt for the front doors, and we're going to bring Rob's boat back and use it as a bridge. Okay, there's my boards, there's my boat, and there's my Dan. Okay, should we give this a go?
That really pulled a lot closer. I don't know if you can tie it up to here. So you don't want to make a trip lesson for us, do we?
Well, it's all right, if we get a cheap there,
Yeah, we can.
Well,
Either side of it.
yeah, that's fine. Let's just get a sheet onto that boat. Oh yeah, see what you mean, the boat's quite far away. Right, lay it down a sec on logs.
It's just, mate, I've got this. It's just a massive, isn't it? If you can get it around these stuff, put it on these handrail.
It's alright, just hand it over to me. Picked up. Oh no, hang on.
I'm just smelling it.
All right. Yeah, I could have. Dan, could you get inside the boat, mate? Sorry, bud. It's like a 3-person job. Cheers, pal. Okay. Perfect. Two down, 4 to go.
Alright?
Yep, struggling.
Oh no, yeah, I know.
Well, the wind's picked up. Whoa! Sugar. Oh.
I know.
The wind picked up on that one.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Got it.
Right?
Yeah.
Did you see this board? See that mark?
What one?
What's the good side?
Oh, where's the sticker? That's the good side there.
That's the good side?
Yeah.
That's good, that's right. Because look. Yeah.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, scuff there.
Right, mate?
Oh, bud, you are an absolute superstar. Thank you, mate.
No worries, mate.
Right, my mate Joe's just popped round and delivered some bed slats. They're not quite wide enough for what I need, but I could put support in for them, no doubt. So that's quite good. And I've lent him my welder. Cheers, Joe. Right, it's time to get rid of those units because I can get the car quite close to where I am, get it to the tip, and that might help kind of rebalance the boat slightly. Right, I have got rid of those 2 units which were there. It's leveled up the boat quite a bit. I've shimmied quite a bit of stuff underneath the bunk bed. I've retained some bits. Mum said for me to, she likes the handles on these, which I kind of inclined to agree with her. I do quite like them. I tried to retain some other bits, but there wasn't much. So I've got to get that stuff to the tip. And now what I need to do with my kind of newly found space is to start cutting up one of those boards there for this bulkhead here. And I need to select the best board because it's going to be kind of on display, this one. So yes, let's get selecting. Right, here's the board I've selected. Now I need to plot out all the measurements and cut it. Right, I've drawn this shape out, and I'm hoping I'm not going to make the mistake I made on the last one, in that corner bit there. This one's not going to matter so much because this is the one that's going to be on that side of the bed, so you're only going to really see this from this angle. So kind of, and most of it's going to be eclipsed by a cupboard and stuff, and on that side obviously it's going to be inside the pocket door. But I'm thinking whilst I've got this done, I might as well maybe make some use it as a template and make all the other ones out of it, if it fits right. Let's cut it up and find out. Right, oh, I shouldn't cut out a notch so I can go around the pipes. Let's do that. Wrong way around. Oh, fuck. What a bell end. What an absolute retard. Okay, it's on the inside. I'll be able to sort that out. Oh my god, I can't believe I've done that. there we go. There's the inside of the midships cabin. So one internal wall and the other internal wall. It's been fixed in just down there temporarily. Obviously I've got to do it up there top there. I think it's going to line up nicely so I can affix it straight to the battens on the ceiling, which is a bit of a result. Happy days. So yeah, it's going to be a cupboard there, ceiling height cupboard most likely, and another ceiling height cupboard there, and then one of them will be the ladder to get onto the middle bunk. A few people have sent me some ideas for these bunk beds, so thank you very much to everyone who has. I think I've made up my mind, but I'm still going to do a bit more measuring and researching and stuff. What I'd ideally like is to find some mega hinges which can basically support most of the weight and kind of push it out a bit and they get around that. But yeah, I'm well happy with that. Apart from that little cut out there, that's all gone pretty well, but I will not be using that as a template. Right, thanks for watching. Until tomorrow, take care. Bye bye.